Want to learn how to sync posts across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that process smooth and effortless. I've tested a few popular tools for this, and I'll give you an exclusive free trial for my top choice at the end, so stick around for that. The first thing you need to know is that syncing posts across these platforms can be tricky because each one has its own algorithms and specifications. But with the right tool, you can automate this entire process and avoid the hassle of reposting manually. Start by finding a reliable software that allows you to manage and schedule your content across multiple platforms. The software we'll be using today can handle TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels all at once. You don't need to manually adjust each post for every platform's unique format, which saves you tons of time. Here's how you do it. After signing up for the software, you'll simply need to connect your TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram accounts. Once that's done, create your post like you normally would, whether that's a video or a photo, and make sure it's optimized for each platform's recommended specifications, such as video length or aspect ratio. The software then allows you to edit your caption, add tags, and even adjust the thumbnail for each platform in one place. Now, this is where the syncing magic happens. You can schedule the same post to go live across all 3 platforms at the exact time, which is key for maximizing engagement. One of the best parts? This software allows you to track your post's performance across all platforms in one dashboard. No need to jump between apps to see how your post is doing. You can analyze insights and tweak your future content accordingly. But here's the kicker. If you're like me, you've probably tried other tools that claim to do the same thing but fall short when it comes to syncing posts across multiple platforms smoothly. I've gone through the most popular options, and this one is hands down the best for keeping everything in sync. Plus, it's super easy to use. The exclusive free trial for this software is in the description below, just for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along with the exact steps I showed you. So, what's the key takeaway here? The right software can save you hours of work by automating the process of syncing posts across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. With one click, your content is optimized and scheduled across all platforms at once, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your channels. Quick revision of the main points. 1. Find a software that connects your accounts and allows for content syncing. 2. Create and optimize your post. 3. Schedule it across all platforms at once. 4. Use the dashboard to track your content's performance. And remember, if you want to try out the software we use today, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.